While Samsung may be of the view that tipsters are hellbent on spoiling the Galaxy S24 Unpacked event, we think they drum up interest and keep the excitement alive through the days leading up to the unveiling day. An ex-user by the name of Tasty Orange has posted short Galaxy S24 Ultra unboxing videos, showcasing 3 color variants. A TikTok user apparently got their hands on titanium yellow, titanium violet, and titanium gray Galaxy S24 Ultra models, and Tasty Orange posted them on X. The packaging is the same as that of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and the maker of video only shows us what the startup screen looks like. At this point, we'll take whatever we can get though. We do get a good look at the design, with the video seemingly confirming for the umpteenth time that Samsung is done with curved screens and has equipped the Galaxy S24 Ultra with a flat display. For reference, the Galaxy S23 Ultra's bottom speaker has 6 holes. Another change that we can spot in one of the videos is that the S Pen's bottom will be flat instead of round. Do keep in mind that Samsung is being very aggressive when it comes to taking care of the leaks, so there is a good chance that most of the leaks pertaining to the Galaxy S24 series on the internet have already been deleted. Yet, we have managed to get our hands on the leaked video. I have to say I have fallen in love with how good the flat display feels like, especially if it is that large. Earlier we got to know that the software support on the Galaxy S24 is getting an upgrade. Samsung is set to impress us with their long-term software support. It seems like Ice Universe has now confirmed that One UI 6.1 will feature some better animations. Ice Universe used one word to describe these animations is reborn. Considering how critical Ice has been in the past regarding Samsung's animations, this praise indicates that Samsung has truly done something well on the software side. They have improved the animation frame rate compared to One UI 6, which means it'll look more smoother and more delicate animations. Moreover, Samsung made a decision to remove the background blur effect, possibly to optimize power consumption. There are also a plethora of features that have been confirmed by sources along with durability numbers. According to the source, the new glass used on the S24 Ultra still tends to get scratched at a level 6 and 7 on the hardness scale. However, the scratches are less noticeable compared to the S23 Ultra. It's an improvement over the Victus 2, as it is less prone to cracking thanks to its titanium frame and flatter panel design. This level of durability is quite impressive compared to the S23 Ultra, something we have been eagerly anticipating, since it seems like the S24 Ultra will feature a flat display. Additionally, with the Gorilla Glass armor in place, which may be renamed Victus 3, we can expect more impressive durability numbers, especially around the corners. It is also confirmed that the S24 Ultra will be able to record 8K videos at 5x zoom, as 8K videos have a resolution of around 33 megapixels, and the 5x optical telephoto lens that's replacing the S23 Ultra's 10x lens has a 50 megapixel sensor. Samsung points out that the new phone will still take excellent photos at 10x and beyond. Also revealed in the leak are 4 of the color options for the Galaxy S24 lineup. There's amber yellow, marble gray, cobalt violet, and onyx black, with the first word replaced with titanium for the Ultra variant because of its titanium build. Now for those excited, we're going to run through the full specs design and the price for each model in this 24 series to help you guys decide which one is right for you. Now for my regular viewers, you guys have seen this, so just skip to the next video, but if you're new here, then hit subscribe button for future updates too. Now we'll get right into it. The standard Galaxy S24 is coming with a 6.2-inch, 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. We get a resolution of 2340 by 1080, and it's going to be using Samsung's new M13 OLED panels protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 with an Armor Aluminium 2.0 protection. We get a 12 megapixels punch hole camera for the selfies. Then on the rear, it's a 50 megapixels primary camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto, and of course it's going to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in Canada and USA. While rest of the countries worldwide are going to be getting the Exynos 2400. We get 8 gigs of RAM and a choice of 128 or 256 gigs storage, and this is going to be a UFS 4.0. It comes with a 4,000 mAh battery, and while having a 25 watts fast charging. We do know that we're getting 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Now it's coming with One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, and it's expected to launch from about $850 to $900, and that's going to be in February 2024. Now next up, we've got the Galaxy S24 Plus with a 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. We get an upgraded Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120 by 1440, and it's going to be using Samsung's new M13 OLED panel, and again protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 with an Armor Aluminium 2.0 protection. We get a 12 megapixels punch hole camera for the selfies. Then on the rear again, it's a 50 megapixels primary, a 12 megapixels ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto. It's going to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in Canada and USA, while rest of the countries worldwide are going to be getting the Exynos 2400, and again we get 12 gigs of RAM, then the choice of 256 or 512 gigs storage, which will be UFS 4.0. It comes with a 4,900 mAh battery, while having 45 watts fast charging, and again we get 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. It's coming with One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, and it's expected to launch from about $1,050. Now finally, we've got the most premium, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. With this 24 Ultra, we got a 6.8 in 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. It's got a resolution of 3088 by 1440, and again, it's using Samsung's new M13 OLED panel protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. We get a 12 megapixels punch hole camera for the selfies. Then on the rear, it's a 200 megapixels primary camera, a 12 megapixels ultra wide. We get a 50 megapixels 5 times, as well as a 10 megapixels 3 times telephoto zoom. Despite previous rumors, it's going to be powered up by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all regions, and it's only this 24 and this 24 Plus that is still going to be using the Exynos. And with this 24 Ultra, we get up to 12 gigs of RAM with the choice of 256, 512, and 1 terabyte of storage. And this is of course UFS 4.0. It comes with a 5,000 mAh battery, and while having 45 watts fast charging, and we're also going to get 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Now it's coming with One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, and it's expected to launch from $1,250. So overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra brings a fresh design with more strength and much brighter display, on top of upgraded hardware and lots of new AI features. The inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all models of the Ultra feels like a good move from Samsung, and with upgrades across the whole lineup, it should see plenty of success. Now, because of the similarities to the predecessor, though it's probably not going to make anyone with an S23 Ultra rush for an upgrade, but for anyone with an older S phone or looking to get their first S phone, then it's going to be a great choice. Now, of course, being so close to launch, more and more details are going to continue to come in, and I'm going to be sharing them as soon as they do. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future. So, how do you like this new unboxing videos of the upcoming S24 lineup from Samsung? Let us know it down below in the comments section, and for more updates you can check out our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.